Department of Business Studies. So as a student of business, I consider myself the student of business. Today my topic is that what the business is basically and what the types of organization we have in our society. All in all, everyone in our society is there to earn some sort of money. हर बंदा 2004 से 8 से 16 बनाने के चक्कर में लगा हुआ है. But the basic concept is what the business is. What do you think? What the business is? And you are just in one word. ये चीज है. Transactions. पैसे कमाना. Profit and loss. Exactly. Now tell me one thing. मैं कराची में बिल्कुल नहीं. Last 10 days से मैं रोजाना मोबाइल छुपा चाय पीने बैठता हूँ. And I swear कोई आ तो नहीं रहा. Person who is going to snap mobile from you. Is it a business? On short. Secondly, मैंने जगह-जगह दीवारों पे देखा गुमशुदा बच्चों की इस नंबर पे कॉल करें. Now I'm thinking यार मैं अपने बच्ची को जान दिया. वो कोई किडनैप करके ले गया. Is it a business? So if it is to earn some money is known as a business, that in my opinion, this is not the right definition of the business. In my opinion, and what the authors have said, business is anything legal to earn some sort of money. Legal means according to the rules and regulations of that particular area. If you are selling wine in here, Karachi, it's not a business. But if you have a license and you are selling it, then it's a business. So, it's very easy to say to earn some money. No. We have to earn money, but according to the rules and regulations of that particular area. Now it comes towards organization. We all are working here in an organization. Normally the organization is said where three kind of resources are gathered. Technical resources, human resources, and financial resources. When these three type of resources are gathered, we say that now we are running an organization, and there are two main types of organization. One is known as formal organization, and the other one is known as informal organization. So the question arises in my mind, क्या informal organization भी हो सकती है? What the basic difference between these two is that what formal organization is and what informal organization. Formal organization where all the people work for one objective. We all are here under the umbrella of Bahria University. We are working for one objective, and that objective is to promote education in our particular area. Am I right? Yes. And now come to our informal organization. The biggest example of informal organization is market. You go there. You purchase mobile, you purchase your suit, you purchase your jewelry. There are a number of shopkeepers. They have the resources. They have finance, they have humans, they have technology. But what they are working for their individual objectives. They are not working for the purpose of organization. So that is also an organization. Organization की definition में तो वो भी आ रहे हैं. लेकिन वहाँ जो types हम बात कर रहे हैं, कि two types of organization, formal and informal. Formal का जो basic difference इन दोनों के दरमियान, that formal organization, informal organization, everyone works for one single objective. Their target is to achieve that objective. Whereas in informal organization, they all are working, but their ultimate target, their ultimate goal is to achieve their own personal objective, what they have in their mind. Then it is further categorized. If we are getting the more branches of this tree, there are different organizations as well, like profitable organization and non-profitable organization. The most non-profitable organization known in the world is from Karachi, Delhi Ambulance. Do you think they are working for government? But that is also an organization. So there are further clusters, they are further divided into two. One profitable and the second one non-profitable. Profitable organization, their primary objective is to achieve money, to earn money, to acquire money. Whereas non-profitable organization, our government hospital, our police stations, अगरचे वो पैसा कमा रहे हैं, ठीक है वो, but their basic objective is not to earn money. They are not created इसी तरह हमारे हॉस्पिटल्स वो पैसा कमाने के लिए नहीं, पब्लिक हॉस्पिटल, whereas when प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल आप आला खान में चलेंगे तो वो उनका मकसद yes can be objective is to provide that, but the primary objective we all admit that they are basically working for money. So that's it, that in surroundings whenever we watch there are different kind of organization, but we are हम सब कुछ जानते हैं, हमें बेसिक क्राइटेरिया नहीं पता कि ये कौन सी फॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, इनफॉर्मल है, प्रॉफिटेबल है, नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल है, फिर इसके अंदर इसको ले चलें तो ये यहाँ से एज ए बिजनेस का स्टूडेंट मैं समझता हूँ अगर हमने किसी को बिजनेस की अवेयरनेस देनी है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू टेल हिम व्हाट द बिजनेस इज एंड व्हाट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज, और उसके बाद द रेस्ट इज ऑन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट दैट वी हैव टू डेवलप.